So today we're going to talk about lesson 114 in our language book. So if you can open your book to page 205. Pause this until you open. Okay, so using encyclopedias. You guys have the advantage to having technology at your fingertips, but it's still important that you know how to use an encyclopedia. So in order to find information in the encyclopedia, you first need to know which volume that will help you. All the articles are listed alphabetically. The letter of the spine of each volume will guide you to what you'll need to contain inside. So for information like on a platypus, you would look in the P volume. Information about Mount Everest, you would look in M volume for Mount. Since the beginning of its name starts with M. However, for information on Noah Webster, you would look in the W volume because a person is listed alphabetically by its last name. So if you look at Think A, in the blank before each number, write the letter of the volume that you would use to find the information. So number 1, how to find how a thermostat works. What volume would you find that in? A through Z. If you said T, you are correct. Number 2, different types of lighthouses. What volume would you find that in? If you wrote L, you are correct. Okay, jump down to Think B. On the top of each page of an encyclopedia, you will find guide words to help you locate your article more quickly. On the pages of the encyclopedia, the following guide words are tarn and tartarn. Put a check mark beside each of the entries that you would appear on these 2 pages. So this one's a little bit difficult, so let me show it to you. So this is our encyclopedia page. We open it up, and on one side we find the word tarn, and on this side we find it's tartan, not tarn. Okay, so the first word we have is tariff. Okay, so in order to see if this word is on this page of the encyclopedia, it has to fall in the middle. That's why I put it in the middle. So the first thing we look at is all 3 have a T. They have an A, they have an R, they have an N. This is where N-I-T. So then we have to think in the alphabet what comes first. So if we were to say the alphabet, I comes before N and T. Therefore, this one would be on a different page, would be on the first page. This number has to come in second in order for it to be on the page, okay? So let's do another word. The next, you would not check that one. So the next word would be tarnish. Let's do this one. Okay, let's stretch this one out. Okay, so all 3 have a T, and I kind of like to do this just to help me. They all have an A, they have an R, N is what I'm looking at, and T. Okay, so what letter comes first in the alphabet? If you were to say it, L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T, therefore, this one comes first on the page, this one comes second, and this one will come third because T comes after N. Okay, so this one would be checked. All right, and that's how you do it. You just have to go alphabetically and see if it falls in order. So you're gonna do Think B. Cross out look closely because it doesn't apply to you. And then I have a worksheet where you are going to alphabetize the kids in your class by first name. Last name would be too easy because you know everyone's number. So we're going first name. Don't forget to take a picture of page 205 and a picture of your worksheet and upload it into Google Classroom and turn it in. Have a fabulous day. I miss you.